Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an updated onunu recipe. Today I'm doing onunu with catfish pepper soup. See, if you've tried this combo, then you know that it is the real deal. Anyways, I boiled some water and I'm pouring it over the catfish. Now I do this so that my catfish doesn't fall apart when I am cooking it. And then I just let it sit in the hot water for about a minute or so, and then I transfer it into the pot, fill it up with water, just enough water to cover the fish, and then add some red habanero peppers, some onions, garlic, ginger if you have. I also added some crayfish, pepper soup spice, and I also added salt and seasoning cubes. But this catfish pepper soup takes about 25 to 30 minutes to get done. So yeah, in 30 minutes you should have tasty, yummy pepper soup. Now we're going to start prepping for our onunu. You need yam and overripe plantains. So make sure that you wash and cut your yams, and then you just add it to a pot, add water, add salt, and let it boil for a bit. Make sure that your plantain is also very, very ripe, because that just makes the onunu taste really yummy. While our yam is boiling, we're going to check on our pepper soup real quick, because we need to add scent leaves or basil depending on what you have. But I added my scent leaf about 5 minutes to when I turned off the heat for the pepper soup. Now our yam is boiling, it's halfway soft, so we're going to add the plantains. Don't take the peel off the plantains. Add the plantains and cover and let it boil. Now if you just want to see the recipe for onunu alone, I have a recipe showing how I make onunu, just onunu. Time for us to start blending. So you add your yam to the food processor, add some of the water from the yam as well, so it's easier for it to blend. Anyways, I added some palm oil to it and blended it again. To start adding the plantains to it, make sure you take the peel of the plantain and then just add and blend until it is smooth, until it is stretchy. But this process will take, I would say, maximum of 7 minutes. But that's what the texture is going to look like. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I think it's a great alternative for Christmas as well. Thank you so much for watching.